Here we have a Volkswagen Golf. Now the car is a 1.6 litre TDI 115 PS. The car is great and it has a good spec, including front assist, a hydraulic brake assist, a front assisting collision mitigation, an automatic post-collision brake, a radar sensor control distance monitor, a city emergency brake, and that's to go along with the 6J X 15-inch steel wheels. The boot, it's a decent size, and it even comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has an 8-inch colour touchscreen, a composition media system, and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Weston Volkswagen Newbridge.